Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. Beautiful example, just in direct off the last owner. SAT LEON SE COPA TDI 1.6 diesel, 103 brake horsepower, finished in ice silver metallic. The car's absolutely gorgeous all the way around, really has been very well cherished. Great example, fantastic specification on these Leons. Basically a Golf in disguise. It's a 2012 on a 12 plate with just 36,000 miles. Incredibly low mileage car. Fabulous all the way around. Rear parking sensors. Great size boot on it. Nice and clean, not been abused anyway. Split folding rear seats. Complete toolkit there with locking wheel bolt. Bodywork is just beautiful all the way around. No dents, no scratches, no scuffs. No little dings anywhere. It is just gorgeous. All the wheels in great condition. We've not refurbished this. This is how the wheels came in. No damage on those, no curbing. We've replaced centre caps, replaced 2 tyres on the vehicle as well. We'll give you a close-up to show you exactly how nice the cars are. It's almost like you just walking around the car physically, but from the comfort of your armchair. Rear privacy glass. All the door trims, all in great condition. No damage on those. Plenty of legroom in there, lots of space in there. All the upholstery in great condition. Non-smoker's car. No nasty smells. Just beautiful. Again, the front door trims. Electric windows front and rear, electric mirrors, driver's seat, all the trims again, great condition. Basically VW Golf running gear, high spec car, cheaper than a Golf comparison. So there's a mileage, 36,848. That's all it's done. Full service history. Just serviced. We've just replaced the cambelt and water pump. So it's ready to go. All nice clear screen, everything in front of you. Dual zone climate control. You can just get the individual controls just perfect for driver and passenger. Stereo CD. Touchscreen, satellite navigation. Nice big clear screen. Get the sound just perfect. Of course, Bluetooth. Media. USB aux input. 5-speed manual gearbox. leather multifunction steering wheel with various controls for stereo, Bluetooth, electric folding door mirrors, cruise control, drive's absolutely superb, £20 road tax, so great miles per gallon, £20 road tax, superb specification, full service history, as I mentioned, cambelt, water pump all just replaced, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, we welcome part exchange, it's got total closure, press and hold the button, all the windows go up and the mirrors fold away. How slick. If you want to buy this car, you can buy it 24/7 direct off our website. Click and reserve to make sure nobody else beats you to it. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. We make buying and selling cars a simple, easy, hassle-free process. You can arrange a click and collection from our showroom or ask about home delivery. Further details, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple, we've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.